Hello friends, welcome to my channel Infotech Online Training. Today our topic is DHCP Reservation. It's very short video. Okay, I will try to complete this as soon as possible. Okay, you just need to open your DHCP server. Here I active one. So here you can set your reservation, new reservation. Okay, see reservation name, like system name. I will type MLPC. Okay, now you need to specify the MAC address of your client to reserve any IP for a specific user. So I will go to my client machine. So you need a MAC address, physical address. Okay, I will so here I type this MAC address 00C297455E84. If you any description, you can test PC. Okay, put like I will give is 100. Okay, so now every time when Ahmed connect to the network, Ahmed PC, it's get only this IP 192.168.200. You can check also here all DHCP servers configuration inside. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Take care. Bye bye.